Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give you another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Tentic. We're here with Tentic Insect. Tentic Insect. So you don't know, so them two artists you go at it, Tentic and 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 go at it. So I'm quite late to the reactions, like I told you in the previous reactions videos. I'm quite late to the war, but I'm here and I'm prepared. I'm here and I'm prepared. So let's jump into the one here, because as you can see, me have my balaclava pussy. I got dead now. Yeah, but me to what is, I'm gonna give you a show. But me ready? Ready? Let's go.
Yo, Sam.
Never see a man both sides so high, both sides so high, both sides so high. Marcus, man, I'm finding a sawdust, yeah.
Marcus, man, I'm finding a sawdust. Buju son, Gargamel son, Marcus Myrie, the great Marcus, man, I'm finding a sawdust. Take out this blood clot, yo, take out this pussy clot. Yo, fling on that blood clot, man. Yo, how are we there, man? Yo, brawling face, man. Miggle there. Brawling face. Me want a blood. Me not mask up. No. Check a kid on the man when I'm walking up and them tall thing, me have the woman on them. Yo! Bumbo clot, man. Take off that pussy clot, man. Marcus, mind them fighting a sawdust. Hey! Tentic, where you go there, sir? Send for the be my key, me nah rush, man.
Marcus, man, I'm finding a sawdust. Yeah, to the gate, nah rush. Send for the be my key, me nah rush.
Send for.
Hey, the keep on it down.
Stay there.
Fuck, come pull all up in ya. Man, well, bad man, I see now.
Yo, them fuck me pull up in here. Them fuck like pussy on the back road and me pull that pin here. The grenade pin me attack. Me not attack no common pin pussy. Me not pin up. Yo. Blood clot on head boy. Now make me turn on the warlord general cross angry blood clot miserably no youth. How way you do? How pin here go pull a head boy. Tentic make up yourself, yo.
Fuck, come pull all up in ya. Man, well, bad man, I see now.
Pussy, we no war with lip, brother. We not up on the lip thing, brother. A real thing man deal with. Real corner biting a boy kin. Hey? Pussy, you know what not this? You know what not this? That is what Tentic is saying to 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, not me.
We no war with lip, man, a killer. Chicken rubber, give this and a beef when they liver. Them start scream, start call, caterpillar. Ball on the knees to the guard with them figures.
Yo. Them start creep on them knees, caterpillar. Them start ball on them knees to the God when them finger. Yo.
Them start scream, start call, caterpillar. Ball on the knees to the God with them figures. No boy can't run me from the villa.
No boy can't run from the villa. Rewind, listen to me. The God with them forgot. So he must say, yo, 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 a good youth, grew up in a church. Good church parents and be something. So all of a sudden now you go like you're a bad man. Remember say you it's like I got you forgot the God, you know, brother. What you do? Find back your God, you know, cause kill me and go kill you. That's what it is.
No boy can't run me from the villa. I clown this. You vex to your girl, don't give a fuck.
Hold on, wait.
I clown this. You vex to your girl, don't give a fuck.
A blood clot. Me pussy clot. Man say you a clown this. Guess what I'm vexed for? Me go tell you what I'm vexed for. I'm vexed because him girl come give you some pum, some punani, some mergy, some wet, walk 3,000. That's what I'm vexed for. That is what 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 is saying. That is what Tentic is saying 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍𝐿 is vexed for.
No boy can't run me from the villa. I clown this. You vex to your girl, really just him done while him up a big yard and come out.
Them not bad, them religious. Remember, say me telling you earlier on, say Tentica, say Coyote a good youth, we got a good school, sitting in a front seat in a class, in the end of a class. Remember, say a good youth, remember, say him used to wear him, kick me, kill me, them, him shit kick them, him stone kick them, him scream out shoes to church. Remember, say a good youth. Remember, say a good youth. Remember, say him couldn't even come outside. So remember, say him not bad, that's what the G say, so.
The vex to your girl, can't give a fuck. Super body when we pick it up. Then a bad man, them really just him done while him up a big yard and come out.
Him dad while him up a big yard and beat him. Which Dan? Which Dan? Beat up G. What go on?
Then a bad man, them really just him done while him up a big yard and come out. Oh, me squeeze this a trigger. Me no racist, but me will kill couple nigga.
Yo, me not racist, brother. Me like all my black brothers. But me will kill couple nigga down blood clot run. Youth. No, make me turn into the world of the telling a boy. How you do? Hey boy. How are you? How are with the blood clot 10 tick? Member say 10 tick, we make 10 flick. 10 of that. Run out. Boy get run out. Done out. It's gonna. Yo. That warrior nice. That warrior nice. 10 tick Coyote, respect the two, no thank you, no two bad lyricists. That song you have only for melody. Melodies for days, brother. Melody for days, bro. Should I go live and talk about this war? Are we going live and talking about this war? Cause I think it needs needed. All right. So well, let's go. Let's go. Pussy go and stay drunk off for your liquor. Remember, say you don't know about it. Brother, listen what the man say. Listen what the blood clot man said. Just listen. Listen. You don't know about war, you a beginner. Pussy go and stay drunk off for your liquor. Remember, say Coyote they say, women nice, so me go on. Women nice. And then him say, me say me nice, me not drunk. Me say me nice, me not drunk. Hey, man, you get that out, man, never get it. Yo, remember, say Coyote say that, you know. So the man say, yo, pussy, you're not bad, brother. Remember, say, yo, you're just a beginner, brother. Go and stay nice off your liquor, bro. Go and stay drunk off your liquor, cause you're full.
Pussy go and stay drunk off your liquor. Go and stay drunk. But I feel we are playing more cream now you place with the shoes full of lace.
Nobody feel so we are play pussy. We creep in your place with the shoes full of lace. I'm not talking about shoes where you draw the lace. I'm not talking about Nike and Reebok and no pussy. Me running in your place, but no, creep. Him say creep, him never say run. Me creep in your place, pussy. With the shoes full of blood clot, you run out. Now ramp with it. 10 tick, make up your blood clot self.
But I feel we are playing more cream now you place with the shoes full of lace. But the girl me spray with the belly of the beast, deal with you away. You try this more dear. And the night could have been dark. Violate go and lost with the big pop can't tell run up the creator.
Violate Guala. Yo, wait. Me not reach us here. Me not reach us here, you know. Me not reach us here. I said a bumbo clock. Come on.
But the girl me spray with the belly of the beast, deal with you away. You try this more dear.
You try this more dear. You try go. So we see him go up on. We see Coyote go up on Jeffrey. Big up Jeffrey with the Let's Be Honest podcast. We see him go up on Jeffrey and I say yo, in ready. So is it that? Is it that you're talking about, Tentic? Or you're talking about something that we don't know about? Oh, Bob God, but I jumping at this. Oh, Miss Rona jumping at this. Mama Rona big up herself. Oh, Mama Rona jumping at this. Remember say Tentic and Papi no good. Remember say the whole thing with the melon thing. We don't see that already. See? Alright, cool. So, why would you tell what are all the other people them in the world? What are all the other prayer warriors them, the Christian them, the pastors them? Why couldn't you say, Coyote, tell your mother to pray or tell your family member them to pray for you or whatever? Why you go all the way over Miss Rona? You tell Coyote if you tell Popcorn if you tell Miss Rona if you pray. Why? That boy a wicked boy. Yo, me bumbo clot. Mama Rona, them say we pray for Coyote because dead man go dead. Them say dead man go dead. Youth, no sir.
Violate girls with a big popcorn, tell run up to pray tell them because I tell them because I dogs them I eat and the guns them alive.
Tell them pick a side. Which side they pan, brother? The dogs them I eat and the gun them alive. What
because I tell them because I dogs them I eat and the guns them alive. Comes to the gang, no a man full of pride. Back to the bone, I mean never yet died. I was for run as I'm looking gone. I want the fucker run out. I know.
Hear that floor there? Hear that floor there?
And the guns them alive. Comes to the gang, no a man full of pride. Back to the bone, I mean never yet died. I was for run as I'm looking gone. I want the fucker run out. I know I want up down. I was for run as I'm looking gone. I want the fucker run out. I know I want up down. My dog a Lindsay, like the got that on. Now the shot, I put him down. We
A bomb buckler. Usha put him down. Yo, Melody a kill. Melody a kill. Me pussy claw. No, sir. No, sir. Creativity, peak. Clarity, peak. Rhythm choice, peak. Lyrics, peak. Melody, peaker. Pussy wall.
Comes to the gang, no a man full of pride. Back to the bone, I mean never yet died. I was for run as I'm looking gone. I want the fucker run out. I know I want up down. My dog a Lindsay, like the got that on. Now the shot, I put him down.
Bomb the clad that bad. Isha put him
My
down.
dog a Lindsay, like the got that on. Now the shot, I put him down.
So him big up Galinzil, cause you don't know say I one uptown. So him a big up and then him say Isha.
My dog a Lindsay, like the got that on. Now the shot, I put him down. We are fully alien, we're colorful, gray, long time we bad Ian. Them are no bad man, something like Pian.
They want a bad man something like who?
Long time we bad Ian. Them are
Long time we bad Ian. Is that Coyote's name? Is Ian Coyote's name?
down. We are fully alien, we're colorful, gray, long time we bad Ian. Them are no bad man, something like Pian. Them feels them girlfriend a Pian.
You want him face them girlfriend a peon? Him say girl a pee pan Coyote face. Me bomb clad, no man.
Them are no bad man, something like Pian. Them feels them girlfriend a Pian. Dog, fully down is that we are not the lion. Leader man a Capricorn, a leader who nobody not the leader. Take your real life, who not idiot.
Them on the bad in the media, pussy them not bad. When me spot them a street, them not bad. Them call up winter.
Them feels them girlfriend a Pian. Dog, fully down is that we are not the lion. Leader man a Capricorn, a leader who nobody not the leader. Take your real life, who not idiot.
Cool. Boy, you see me war and try buy out this. Remember, say me call a bag of artist name with you. I never call your name. You see me war and you buy out it. What happened to you, brother?
See me war and buy out this. The real killer dog a try out this. I want to Naomi.
I want to Naomi. What is Coyote's name?
Try out this. I want to Naomi. Tomorrow we fly out here.
I'm not expecting to ask about that. Want to Naomi, tomorrow we fly out here. Yo, Bobo Clad, how are you? Nice. And I'm glad I'm here witnessing it. The war is nice. I'm known I enjoy it. So if you don't enjoy it, drop a bomb Clad like when you know, man. I give it a yet, dog. Oh, no, subscribe to each other yet, dog. I don't know why you want. Oh, no, dog. I'm Yo, like I said earlier on, there's not much more to say, bro. I'm say the whole another reaction already, bro. The war is on. 10 v Coyote. This time I'm going to steal. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you know. And I will see you in the next one.